Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in Washington DC. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Now Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help you start your own LLC, and I always say that you should focus on running the business, making money, and actually creating value rather than like taking care of accounting, administration, and also all the how you can start a business. So outsource as much as you can, and Incfile is amazing for it. With the customer support, with the reviews, with effectivity, best. Now you would click start my business here. Then you're gonna have option for choosing the LLC here and state of formation and choose Washington DC. Then you're gonna have three packages: silver, gold, and platinum. So with the silver, you see $100. And you would see that preparing fee on the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. And then you see the gold one and platinum one. Gold, you see that that's what I recommend. You can have the operating agreement, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard. So all the good stuff, with also the business tax consultation. And with a higher plan, platinum, you're gonna have the expedited filling, which is also really good here. And expedited filling, you're gonna have how faster your LLC is going to be filled to your state. Now I recommend going with the gold version, and that's something that you should do too, I believe. If you want, you can go with the silver, but again, if you're gonna cut corners, it will catch you in long term. That's what I believe. If you're gonna try like everything, do it by yourself. Now first name, I will go Marcus Tonelius. Email and phone number. Okay, like this. And then street address. Let's see, this is just for the tutorial. You would add here the street address, city, Washington DC. And now when you got it, you press next. And here you got options. So you can wait 3 weeks for your filling time or 4 business days filling time. I recommend going with a 4 business day or 3 weeks. That's like completely up to you. It really depends how fast you need your LLC. Then you would press next here. Then you see the next, the LLC name here. So LLC name is going to be, let's say, Marcus, or let's Sunwe Marketing, or Marcus Marketing, and then designator LLC. You'll write it right here, the official company name and designator, and number of members. I'm alone, so 1. Now if you can have multiple members, you would add it right here. And business purpose, so I'm going to write here, say, marketing service for business owners, let's say. And then industry, so you're gonna write here, let's say, like marketing consulting services. And when you got it, and when you got everything here, you would also choose the company address information. And when you got it all, you would press next again. And then you're gonna find the expedited filling service, business contract templates, a domain name, business email address. So this is a premium service package that you can upgrade to, and you can easily choose it. So if you want to have the filling service, if you need these business contract templates, domain name, business email addresses, you can click here, get upgraded in bonus, or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. So again, you would choose it, and then you see the member 1 for the company or individual, and you can easily choose it here. First name, last name, street address, and then what you would do when you fill it out for all the members for the company, click next. Then you see the registered agent information. This is something that I definitely recommend for you to have, is from the Incfile to have the registered agent for free for the first year, and let it have covered for you. So free first year, guaranteed rates, all inclusive, reduced junk mail. So everything you would cover with Incfile registered agent, and I would recommend having it. And when you would do, you would click next again, and then you're gonna have the tax identification number information, and Incfile will apply and obtain the number from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the number. So again, I add first name, last name, and then I simply add the SSN number. If you have the IT number, you would add that. Physical street address, again, you would write it or choose the one that we added in the beginning. Then press next again. And then you can have option the Bank of America Small Business Specialist contact you or not at this time. So this is something you can also do. And this is something that I recommend for you to do. And I would click next again. And you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation. So what you will learn, this is something that definitely recommend to do. I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free. So how your LLC is taxed, how to choose the proper IRS tax election, how to reduce the self-employment taxes. These are all important stuff. And to have it with Incfile, it's really great. So I would click next again. And then you're gonna find the 2 licenses for a consulting business. So you will click here, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. And again, this is something that I would recommend definitely to have. You can do it by yourself if you want to, that's completely up to you. But my recommendation is let Incfile do it for you, and then you would have covered everything. Then you would simply add a street address and city. And when you have it, you would just press next again. And then you see the review order here. So you see and the contact info, the formation info. And when you got it all, click next. Then you find also the billing information here. First name, last name, street address, card number. All of that. And then what you can do is when you're going to fill everything here for filling information, you would just click here for complete and pay. And this is how you can easily start your own LLC in Washington, D.C. Now, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, let me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye, guys. See ya.